Hello guys, in this tutorial I'll show you guys how to create a group chat on Messenger. So if you're new to this channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and you hit the notification bell in order not to miss my upcoming tutorials. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So once you log into your Facebook account, you simply click on Messenger. After that, you click on this plus dot. Once you're there, you click on create a group. After that, you simply choose the contact you want. So once you are done choosing the various contacts, you simply click on next. After that, you simply need to insert the group name, so I'm going to insert. After that, click on create group chat. So guys, we are just on creating our group chat. Thank you guys for watching.